Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix blurry photos from the MOTOROLA Edge 60 Neo camera. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we want to wipe the camera glass on the camera. So we got it at the bottom here. We got 4 cameras. We want to make sure that we clean them with a microfiber cloth. One of the best ways to actually clean it. And as you guys can see, so we've got 3 cameras. The 4th one is just a flashlight. As you guys can see, now it should be done. They are really cleaned and there's no fingerprints on them. We want to keep it that way. Now what are we going to do is we're going to open up the camera app. And once we open up the camera app, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we use the focus. So as you guys can see, whenever I press here, I just take pictures. So if you do too, then go to camera settings, and here you should have the, for example, capture methods like tap anywhere to capture. You disable it, and here, as you guys can see, now you can use the focus. You can also use the exposure and a lot of those settings. So you can take a picture now. Let me quickly take one. And also it depends on your digital zoom, so you can use 3x. Now let me take a 3x picture. And the first one will be the 3x. This is the 3x. As you guys can see, there's no blur. There's every single detail on the picture. And this is the 1x. So as you guys can see, it's also very detailed, and it's in a little bit of a portrait because it's blurred out the background. It looks really good. And you can also try going over and just setting up your exposure and focus locked. So to do that, you just hold your finger where you want it locked, and then you should see it pop up on your screen and it will be ready. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.